Hello, I'm Cristina Marujos, and you're watching the Daily Market Comment at xm.com by Rafi Boyadjian. U.S. tech giant Apple Incorporated issued a rare profit warning on Monday, saying it will miss its first quarter revenue guidance as the coronavirus outbreak affects both production and demand in China. Apple CEO Tim Cook cited a slower return to normal conditions that we had anticipated in a staff memo, raising concerns that the fallout from the virus will not be quite as temporary as many investors had initially anticipated. Widespread shutdowns in several Chinese provinces have caused a serious disruption to supply chains, creating shortages of parts and components for companies globally. With stock markets around the world currently riding high near record levels, the risk of a sharp correction is rising as the virus impact becomes more evident. U.S. stock futures fell sharply on Apple's revenue warning. Shares in Hong Kong and Japan also tumbled, though Chinese stocks pared earlier losses to head higher on hopes that authorities will announce more stimulus measures in the coming days. Gold climbed to a two-week high on Apple's news, indicating that investors continue to hedge against a far greater economic hit from the virus than what equity markets are signaling. The risk-off tone was also driving oil on Tuesday, with WTI and Brent crude prices off by between 1.5 and 1.8%. In currency markets, risk appetite was in short supply too, with the safe haven yen advancing against all its major peers, even the US dollar. In the meantime, the dollar scaled 4.5-month peaks against a basket of currencies as the pound and euro floundered. Sterling came under pressure on Monday after Britain's top Brexit negotiator David Frost told his EU counterparts in a speech in Brussels that the UK is determined to set its own rules and will not sign up to European regulation in a post-Brexit trade deal. Frost's speech reignited fears of a hard Brexit. The pound slipped below the key 1.30 level, and the immediate focus now is on the onslaught of UK data expected this week. The euro was also struggling as it stuck close to yesterday's 34-month low. This was today's Daily Market Comment at xm.com.